Are you tired of using chemical-filled creams that promise a lot but rarely deliver? With the Medicinal Garden Kit, you can grow your own healing herbs right at home, and today I'll show you how to turn them into soothing, homemade herbal balms that nourish and protect your skin naturally. Check out the link in the description below to grab your Medicinal Garden Kit and start your herbal journey today. Herbal balms are nature's remedy for dry, irritated, or sensitive skin. The best part? They're super easy to make. First, gather your ingredients: dried herbs like calendula, lavender, or chamomile, all of which you can grow with the Medicinal Garden Kit. You'll also need beeswax for texture and coconut or olive oil for deep moisturizing. Now, let's make it. Add your dried herbs to a jar and pour warm oil over them. Let the mixture sit for a few hours or even overnight. This allows the oil to soak up all the healing goodness from the herbs. Then, strain the infused oil and melt it together with beeswax in a double boiler. Stir until smooth, pour it into small jars, and let it cool. And that's it, your very own homemade herbal balm. Use it on dry skin, lips, or even small cuts and burns. It's gentle, chemical-free, and deeply nourishing. So, if you want glowing, healthy skin and love the idea of making your own natural products, don't wait. Get your Medicinal Garden Kit today and start growing your healing herbs at home. The link is in the description below because the best skincare truly comes straight from nature.